Wondering for months now when we might start to see some relief from this pain at the pump.
A lot of people asking that question. NBC 26's Kelsey Dickinson explains why we might be still waiting a while and what it's going to take for those prices to go back down.
The pain at the pump continues to loom.
We know that high gas prices are not popular with consumers, but nor are they popular with fuel retailers.
Robert Forsyth's family business runs convenience stores across the Midwest, including here in Wisconsin. He says these high costs are hurting them too.
We make more money on the items we sell inside the store than the fuel. When customers get finished paying shockingly high prices to fill their tank, they don't have much money left for discretionary spending.
Heading into these summer months with the high cost of fuel, some people may be debating traveling a shorter distance for a trip or going anywhere at all. Experts say that's one piece of the puzzle that would help drive prices down in the long run.
Once we get on the other side of summer, we'll see a pullback in demand, as part of that natural cycle, and that will, create some relief as well.
Demand needs to go down, but supply also needs to go up. Nick Jarmuth says ending the war in Ukraine would help.
Having that end would certainly provide some pretty significant relief, possibly as much as $1 over the course of that unraveling and kind of undoing the damage that has caused to the global oil market.
And while OPEC is working to increase production, experts say it's not something that can happen overnight.
Compared to turning an aircraft carrier rather than turning a speedboat. So even though that's in the works, there's a process that we have to go through, and it's not a short-term solution.
That's why Moses Altex says we likely won't see long-term relief until the end of the year.
Most analysts agree that inflation may have already peaked, and the price of oil contributes to that as well. So that doesn't mean it's going to plummet. It's going to very gradually decline, but at least it's moving in the direction we want it to.
Hope finally on the horizon as we wait for these prices to drop. Kelsey Dickinson, NBC 26.